Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see from the thumbnail, we're going to be creating this really gorgeous triple extra long nail set. So if you want to see how I did it, let's get right into it. I'm starting off with my triple extra long nail tips. These are actually some custom ones from Amazon. And by custom, I just mean that they were specifically requested by the customer because these fit their measurements perfectly. They already knew that, so that's why I got these. And I already did 3 coats of base coat gel because they're more on the thinner side. I just wanted them to be a little stronger, and now I'm making the color that I need. It's just a magenta pink with some hot pink and some top coat mixed together because I'm gonna need a sheer color, so I'm just making my own. So I just wanted to say really quickly, you guys, that I really appreciate all of you guys who have supported me. I am so grateful that I get to make YouTube videos. I haven't been able to make any this past week. I haven't really been able to do nails in general or edit because editing requires me to sit down for a really long time, probably around 2 to 3 hours per video. And my back has been hurting so bad, like my lower back, and I think it's because of my chair. My chair is just so bad. And I think I'm getting like sciatica from sitting down so long, so that really sucks for me. I've been trying to do stretches. I'm trying to incorporate more like exercising in my daily life because I normally don't do any of that. So yeah, my back has just been hurting so bad, so I apologize for the lack of videos this past week. But yeah, I really hope you guys are having a good day, and we're going to continue with the tutorial. So now for the next layer, what I'm going to be doing is grabbing more of the pinkish color that I made, except I darkened it just a little bit, and we're going to basically try to create this ombre effect, making the base part where the nail's going to be, or like where the nail's going to show through, a little bit darker and ombre it down to the more clear, just because we want this part to be a little more covered so that the nail isn't showing completely through. So I'm going to try and ombre this just really lightly all the way down. And it is pretty easy because these are jelly colors. It would be way harder to ombre like this if you were doing it with a opaque color, but because I'm doing this, I'm just ombreing it with the brush just a little bit, and yeah, it's working really well, but a lot of it's going to be covered anyway. Next, for the French tip part, whatever I had left over from the sheer color that I made, I actually just added more pink and some white and made it into an opaque color because I'm going to be needing this for the rest of the nail set. So I didn't want to waste it, so I just added some purple, some hot pink, and some white and made this color right here. And I'm going to be using this as the French tips color, and these French tips are going to be super high up. They're going to be really, really long. So I did have an inspo picture actually, and I'm going to try my best to find it again so you guys can see it. After I'm done with this, I'll try to see if I can insert it, but I did have an inspo picture, so yeah, that's just what I'm doing here is I'm making my French tips. So this is the inspo picture. I ended up doing it a little more magenta somehow. I don't even know how that happened, but this is the inspo. And thank God my customer still loved the color and didn't really mind it. So I'm really glad about that. But yeah, I don't know how I ended up doing this color palette. It still looks super pretty. And I actually just posted on my Instagram and everyone really liked it. So I'm super happy about that. Now for the other fingers, these two right here, I'm going to be doing the butterfly method, or the, sorry, not butterfly method. I'm going to be drawing on the butterfly wings. So what this is supposed to do is when these two fingers go next to each other, they're supposed to make the butterfly. That's why I made it like if I was actually doing this person, like these nails in person, you know what I mean? Because I used to be a nail tech, I used to do people's hands like in person. So basically I was pretending like I was doing someone's actual right hand. That's why the thumb is on the side that it is and the pinky is on that side, and then the other hand you'll notice that the thumb is on the inside. So it's like two thumbs are technically supposed to touch. That's how I always make sure that my two nails will collide very well and will be able to be next to each other and actually be the correct way, if that makes sense. I don't know how to explain that very well, but I hope you guys understand what I mean. But basically I'm just doing different sized little wings. I don't know if these are, yeah, these are wings. I'm pretty sure they're butterfly. I'm pretty sure it's a butterfly. I'm honestly not so sure, but all I was doing was following the inspo, and this is what it looked like. So now all the designs part are done where I'm going to have to paint. So now I'm going in with my Koopa matte gel top coat, and I'm going to be mattifying all the nails. I love matte top coat. As you guys know, I usually always incorporate matte if I'm doing like a fall freestyle or anything like that, because matte just makes everything stand out more, especially when you're going to put rhinestones on top of it. It just ends up looking so much better. So yeah, I'm going to be doing my matte top coat, and you guys, it's literally crazy because every time I have to go in with like any type of top coat on triple extra long nails, I literally end up using so much of the bottle. It's crazy how much like product these long nails take up. So yeah, I'm just going ahead and doing that, making sure I get an even layer. Because the nails are so long, I have to make sure I keep going back and forth and making sure I don't miss any spots, because that'll just mess up everything. So yeah. The next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be creating a second smile line right here underneath the regular French. So I'm going to be creating a line, and I'm not going to be curing it because I'm going to be putting some glitter on it. So this part is going to stay glittery, and I love this little effect design that this created. I just made it look so much more pretty because I added the little glitter. I just really love it. So yeah, I'm just doing this on the nails that have the French tips, and then after this we're finally going to be going in with all the rhinestones, and that is my favorite part because it really brings everything together. So yeah, right here I'm just going to do this, and then I'm going to go in with some glitter. And for the glitter that I'm going to be using, it is one from Amazon. This is one of my favorite glitters as of recently, and this was actually in a haul video that I did a few videos back. So I will be putting this glitter in the description box. It's really affordable. It's like $5 or something like that. And it comes with this huge jar of glitter. I'm not going to run out for a very long time. And I was definitely looking for something like this. So now I'm going ahead and I'm going to be grabbing these little tiny pink flowers, and I'm going to be putting these right here in the center of every single French tip nail. And these are just going to add a little extra detail, but the other two nails with the wings are going to be super bedazzled. So I'm using the best of the best glue, of course, Zule's nail glue. This is literally so good. Or it's not nail glue, Bling adhesive I think is what it's called. But yes, this Bling adhesive is so good and your gems will not come off, especially if you add enough glue. So I'm going to be applying this and then the little flowers. And for this set, thank God, you guys, I had so many little flowers left of these little pink ones because I needed so many for this nail set, especially because they're triple extra long nails. I used so many. So you're going to be using a mix of AB rhinestones and then just a mix of sizes of these little pink flowers, and I'm basically just putting them all over around the wings on every single little wing, and I'm just going to be placing them randomly, but making them random makes it look super pretty, and especially using different sizes, it makes it look super detailed. So always make sure you're switching up your sizes for your SS crystals. Trust me, it makes all the difference. So yeah, I'm just putting the glue wherever I want it, and I'm trying to work fast because this glue dries really quickly. So just, you know, keep that in mind that this Bling adhesive dries fast. I also wanted to say really quickly, if you guys hear weird breathing or noises in the back, it's my dog, of course. You guys know this. I always say this in all my videos, but my dog is always right next to me. She literally does not leave my side. I think we're honestly just literally a pair like forever because she is so obsessed with being with me. But I also wanted to say really quickly that these little flowers you can get in bulk on AliExpress. If you guys have never shopped on AliExpress before, I really recommend you do, especially if you're on a budget. I always shop there for all of my rhinestones and my charms and everything like this because these little flowers are so affordable on there. You can buy so many pieces for just a little bit of a price. So I will find a good listing for you guys, and I will put it in the description box as well for this. And yeah, you guys, we're pretty much finishing up with the set here. As you can see, the nails are really coming together with the just like all the bling being added to it. I'm definitely a bling type of girl. I love the glitter and the sparkle. It just is literally everything to me. It looks so pretty when it's on. And when you're like in low light at like a restaurant or in the movie theater or something like that, your nails will sparkle so much. So yeah, we're pretty much finished with the set. I was really grateful for this customer for always ordering such beautiful nails that really took me out of like the basic, you know, nails that I do every single day. And yeah, I just absolutely love how this one turned out. I totally forgot that I filmed it. That's why I never uploaded it sooner, even though I did it a while back. But here, once again, here is the finished result. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. As you guys know also, I always file my nails at the very end when I'm done with the nail set. And yeah, so that's all I have for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!